Hello. Today we are going to be looking at some actual specimens of kidneys and discussing their anatomy. So first, this kidney here. Notice the distinctive shape. We have the tough outer capsule. We have that indentation of the hilum. And this is where you can see the artery and vein connect, as well as drained by the ureter. Okay, so that's the outside of the kidney. Now let's look inside. Again, the tough outer fibrous layer, the capsule. And then we can see this area here is all the renal cortex. And then the darker medullary tissues here in the distinct renal pyramids. And then you can see this, which is shown kind of yellow here. That's the renal pelvis. Whereas the urine is formed, it drips into this renal pelvis. And then you can see right here at the hilum, there would be a ureter. You can kind of see some remnant of that tissue as it would leave and go down into the bladder. So that is a couple of examples of real kidneys.